How to fix Instagram Reels black screen. If you're having issues where you're trying to scroll Reels on Instagram and you're having black screens, the first thing that you can immediately do is force close the application. So remove the Instagram app from the recent app list and try to see if this fixes the issue. But however, if this does not fix the issue, the second thing that you can do is try to clear the app cache. Tap and hold the app of Instagram, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside, head over to storage, and right here you'll see the option called clear cache. Once you do this step, again try to see if this fixes the issue. But however, if it still does not, then what you can do is uninstall Instagram from your device and then again re-download it. This ensures that any sort of bugs which may be causing the issue on your Instagram app should be now fixed. Now, even after doing all of these steps, you're still having issues, then that likely is happening due to server side issue. So in this situation, you just need to wait out a couple of minutes before the issue is automatically resolved. So I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'm gonna see you in the next one.